Okay. Now let us see another machine, single head welding machine. Okay.
Okay.
For this machine also is seamless welding. Can do the
Yes.
seamless welding.
Yes. Although this machine itself getting smaller, with we you, this machine also support 0.2 millimeter welding. Also, you can weld a wide profile with 2 mm welding.
Okay. For the 2 mm welding and the 0.2 mm welding is auto change the welding condition.
Yes, it can be changed automatically. Let me show you the button. Here is the button for changing laminated profile. Here is the button for seamless welding and without seamless welding. Also, you can see here is the welding time, heating time, to help you to control the machine well.
Okay. Let us invite our engineer demo this machine. Engineer, please. Thank you. We want to weld this angle.
Firstly, we need to fix the welding tools.
What's this about this hose?
Here are some holes for fix the welding blocks to make sure to meet the various angle welding.
This step is adjust the welding block according to the profile cutted angle, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You can see it's a separate clamping system to make sure the easy operation. The heating the profile. Double clamping.
The heating plate is only one. It is a whole very big heating plate, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Here is the welding result. You can have a check for laminated profile. Very beautiful appearance.
Okay. So next one, can you explain our machine's advantage for this machine contrasted with other suppliers?
Okay, firstly, this machine support 0.2 millimeter and 2 millimeter welding. You can change it automatically. Secondly, this machine support various angle welding. You can change the welding block to meet your various angle welding. Thirdly, this machine adopt to separate clamping system to make sure the easy operation. Okay, that's about our machine.
Okay, can you explain our machine's configuration of our single head welding machine?
Okay. Firstly, you can see this machine for cylinder. We adopt SMC brand to make sure the stable feeding movement. For electrical components, we use Schneider brand to make sure the stability and low failure rate. That's about our machine configuration.
Okay, so Jacob, can you have a summary about this machine?
Okay, this machine mainly used for various angle welding. If you you can, if you have, if you want to weld an arc or special shaped window, you can use this machine to meet your processing requirements. Secondly, this machine support welding, seamless welding, and without seamless welding result, you can weld a white profile and laminated profile. Also, it has a good performance on seamless welding. The okay, the third one is this machine adopt two separated clamping system to make sure the easy cooperation. You can see the special clamping system to also can make sure the welding strength. Okay, that's our machine summary.
Okay, thanks for your introduction. Okay, everyone, this is our four-head welding machine and a single-head welding machine. Both is seamless welding. If you have any more question or you want to get more information about the two machines, please visit our official website. You can drop message on our website. Our online service team will reply you as soon as possible. Also, welcome you subscribe our YouTube official account or Facebook official account. The name is Fenstek Machinery. Thanks for your watching. Very glad to enjoy time with you all. See you next time. Bye
See
bye.
you. Bye bye.